More than likely, you have arrived at the historical newspaper site because you have a topic you want to research. Say you want to see how your community was talking about World War I, or the Great War as it was called. If the simple search box on the main page is returning too many options, like 11,758, try the advanced search. On this page, you can limit by title, date, and proximity of words. The control button on your keyboard will allow you to select multiple titles. For date range, I find it easiest to change the year and keep the months the same. You have three options to control the word search. All the words will make sure they are all somewhere on the page, and any of the words will make sure that at least one of the words will be on the page. These two functions are Boolean operators. All works as the AND operator and any for the OR operator. If you are getting too many results, try the all option. If you're not getting enough, try the any option. The third option allows you to make sure the words are close together on the page, which is what we will use here. You can choose how close you want the words to each other, within 5, 10, 50, or 100. I usually just stick with 5. "468 results is a little bit easier to handle than the 11,000. Let's move to the next tutorial to learn about reviewing your results.